Have you ever felt anxious or uneasy about money? Even after trying your best to save, you look into your wallet and still feel empty and scared? Little squirrel Kiki used to feel the same, a stockpile of acorns in his den, but no peace in his heart. So, what is the true secret to financial peace of mind? Let's join TigerZen and Kiki to find out, right now. Kiki, the clever little squirrel, quick but sometimes impulsive and anxious, was sitting in his nest full of acorns, yet his mind was in turmoil. Kiki sighed. "I've hidden acorns everywhere, scared I won't have enough for winter. But the more I hide, the heavier my heart feels." TigerZen, the calm and wise tiger elder, sat beneath a great Bodhi tree, looking at Kiki with gentle eyes. "My child," he began, "I was once like you. Back in the day when news of storms and floods came, I hoarded food, hiding it all over the forest. But then a sudden flood swept it all away. I lost everything and was left empty and hopeless." Kiki was surprised. "So, what did you do after that?" TigerZen smiled, his voice as soft as a fairy tale. "I realized peace doesn't come from hoarding more, but from understanding what you have and how to use it wisely. That is the secret to true financial peace of mind." TigerZen then shared with Kiki 3 valuable lessons, the foundational principles that everyone needs to master personal finance and discover lasting peace. Lesson 1. Always have an emergency fund. Imagine having a sturdy umbrella, ready to open when sudden rain falls. An emergency fund is just like that umbrella. It doesn't have to be huge, just enough to help you through tough, unexpected times like job loss, illness, or urgent expenses. With a safety net, your mind will be calmer because you know you're prepared. You won't need to borrow or sell your belongings in desperation, keeping your life balanced and peaceful. Lesson 2. Know your cash flow. Understanding your cash flow means more than just knowing what you earn and spend. It's about clearly seeing how money flows in and out of your life, helping you stay in control. When you understand your flow, you know what to cut, where to invest, and whether you're on the right path. That's how you turn money from a fearful foe into a trustworthy companion. TigerZen emphasized that tracking your daily expenses is the key to unlocking peace of mind. Lesson 3. Learn how to make money grow. Money sitting still will always stay the same, but when invested or used wisely, it can grow, turning into more money, increasing your wealth. Like a seed nurtured well becomes a tall tree with generous shade. Learning to invest, even in small ways, is how you build sustainable wealth and secure financial peace for the future. TigerZen looked deep into Kiki's eyes. True peace doesn't come from having a full storage, but from understanding and managing your money wisely, having a clear plan, and knowing how to make your money work for you. Kiki's face lit up with newfound clarity. "So, if I have a solid plan, I won't worry as much when challenges come, right?" "Exactly, Kiki. With knowledge and preparation, fear gives way to confidence and serenity. You'll know what to do and won't be lost when life throws surprises at you," TigerZen answered. Their conversation ended as the sun set over the peaceful meditation forest. Kiki returned to his nest, filled with hope and determination. He began writing down where all his acorns were hidden, starting a personal finance plan for himself. Kiki's journey wasn't ending, it was just beginning, so that every step he takes in life will be strong and full of peace. Remember, financial peace of mind isn't a distant dream. It's the result of steady, wise steps each day. You, with understanding and determination, can take control of your life, turn challenges into opportunities, and build a future of abundance, stability, and calm. Don't let fear or confusion hold you back. Start today, step by step, by applying the lessons from TigerZen and Kiki. You're not alone on this journey. We walk together, moving forward. If this story inspired you and you want to keep learning practical financial wisdom, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. Let this channel be your trusted companion on the path to mastering financial peace. Thank you for listening. And remember, even the smallest steps today create strength and peace for tomorrow.